wade all year through northern Ontario's treacherous winter months.
Here we go.
For this.
For years now, we've embarked on family canoe trips, putting our skills to the test while enjoying the great outdoors. On a trip that takes over a full day of travel from Toronto, by car and by train, nothing has been as colossal as this one. We begin our trip in Timmins, Ontario, en route to Cochrane to catch our train. Look at all that.
And after an hour-long train ride, we will soon be dropped off along the river.
Watch my shorts.
Where'd that come from?
Quick beer break. Okay, we're here up in northern Ontario. We're doing a 14-man river trip. We have everything packed up. We're getting onto the river now. Lots of beer on this trip, lots of food. We're going to do a lot of fishing, mostly walleye. Sturgeon later on, potentially, but lots of walleye for this trip. And we're going to head out now.
Okay. How's your,
Are we gonna sing?
oh, you guys are good. How do we look?
You guys.
As a group, we faced many unique difficulties on this trip, one of which being the intense heat that we felt every day of the trip, with many of the days the temperature going over 30 degrees Celsius. And because of that, forest fires were rampant in Ontario, with our particular routes showing high to extreme in fire danger during this time.
I was like, hey, you got it. Some canoes ride, they're just lower.
They switched canoes.
And row.
Really higher than your other one.
Yeah, yours is really nice too. It's meant for this river. It's so heavy that.
Started the trip here around the river, all 7 boats in the water. The goal here is we're going to look for some caves. I don't know the name of the caves, but we're going to go check those out. After that, it'll be get to camp and get food, get set up, all that kind of stuff. Beautiful so far.
We have a whole fleet out here.
Yeah, we really do. Long way to go still. I do need to put on sunscreen.
Yeah, your ears are burned.
Ever cool.
We're gonna YouTube it there, Lyle.
Yeah, you got it.
If I wasn't such a lard ass, we'd be able to go far deeper. There's probably another 6 feet in there.
Cool.
These were all underwater. We just freaking drifted down the bloody. That was. Leanne, how long ago was it you and I were here? What was the year?
Pretty cool.
Yeah, that one there. So this one.
Very cool. It doesn't, eh? Where's the fish?
Mike's got in a red canoe.
Okay.
Close red canoe. Sorry, they're both. Hold it up again, Mike. We're gonna take a picture.
Oh, he caught one?
Across the top of the back and into the gills. Come to shore. I'll show you if you want.
First fish. Two eagles, first fish, and the caves. Oh, that's cool.
nuts. Come that way. Yeah, come in here. Have a couple beers in here or something.
Oh yeah, it's cool in here.
Oh, this is nice. Wow.
That's very cool. Cover wild.
It's like cool how it's also hollowed out.
It is cool.
Big cavern in there.
Oh wow. Ever nuts. Is that the back there?
Yeah, it pretty much, it only goes up a little bit farther this way and then it just kind of turns into like a root or something. There's a
yeah.
a spot back there. There should be room for you over here.
Oh yeah, pretty neat.
It's nice and cool too. Oh no. Okay, hold on.
What is it?
Oh, no way.
There's no bedding in there.
Does it go farther?
I'm not going down there, but
Oh
there's...
wow.
That straw didn't just grow there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yep. Go in there. We just checked out these caves here. Everybody's a little bit farther than we are right now, but we're a little bit behind. Refreshments, swimming. I think we still have a little while to go before we get to our campsite. And yeah, back to paddling.
Take it easy because the rocks want to scrape the bottoms.
Beauty.
Oh yeah. Still kicking.
So we're being drawn toward that rock to the left. So we need to go right. Go over towards Dave and then because I think they're in a better depth than what we are. We have to get away from this little shallow shit here.
We're good straight ahead. Yep.
There's shallow stuff there. And then I think you need to go behind this ripple, but to the right. See it? And you gotta miss this rock.
More left. There we go.
Okay, we're good. Okay. Yeah, because it's a distinct V formation that we're looking for.
So it was a pretty big shallow area we just went through. We have, we made it through. One of the canoes got, I think it has a crack in it. So, going up the shore here, we'll figure that out. Meet up with everyone there. Jeez, that's not good.
No, my dad fixed it. And it just peeled it right off. Just peeled it right back.
Let's put some tuck tape just on the ends here, just to kind of see if we can guide the grinding over top of the Gorilla Tape, because the Gorilla Tape's good and thick. Oh, we can even do the whole length. The whole thing. Let's do it.
That stuff's a savior.
Hey, let's get the mom and dad.
Pit stop, and now we're gonna get on to the next spot. So you wanna go left then? Straight. Turn right. Good sand too.
You guys come a different way?
Nope, followed you guys.
Well, we got lucky, I think. I knew you tenderfoots could do it.
Some structure somewhere. We're even getting closer to shore because it's evening. We're going too far that way. We're gonna have to go back upstream if we do that. Oh, whoa, 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 Garrett, that way. That way. No, no, not that way. That way. Yeah, right here, right through here. No, no, not that. Straight ahead. We were supposed to go right there.
I know, I tried. I said, we went too far.
We went through the little rapids. Should be pretty close to the campsite though soon. Two waters on the go. Tents all set up, people cooking on the end, spaghetti night. Pretty late. Nice. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to move the canoes upshore. There's dams on this lake, or river, so we don't want them to flood us.
Right here and it bit my hand.
I was just telling Grant Cullen that we get the odd one off the island here.
I bet you get another one. I bet you that's not even the one that bit
Oh yeah. My first
Moose River walleye.
not bad. Pretty cool.
Beautiful. Are we keeping fish? I don't want to fillet fish.
Well, take a
Right offshore at the campsite. Beautiful. It's not really the best spot for camping, but it works. It's alright setup.
That other pot, though, they might not be enough.
Okay.
finished up the day. We ate some food, had a little bit of wine, but before we close, tomorrow we're gonna hit that. Gonna check it out. You can't really see it too good. It'll show up better in the morning.
Next time on Canoeing Moose River.
Nice. Do some fishing along shore.
Check out the channel for all sorts of outdoor videos, including wildlife and canoe trips.